Progressive exercise number 14. First half. Ready. May I say a word here about the population of Pakistan? Question mark. A great deal has been said and written about our tremendous population and how it overwhelms us and how we cannot solve any problem till the Pakistani population is checked or decimated full stop. Well, comma, I have no desire for the population of Pakistan to go on increasing full stop. I am all in favor of the population being checked, but I think there is a great misapprehension when so much stress is laid on this aspect full stop. I entirely disagree with that full stop. I think Pakistan is an underpopulated country, and I say this not because I want it to be much more populated full stop. It is underpopulated because I want it to be much more populated full stop. It is underpopulated because large tracts of Pakistan are still unpopulated full stop. It is true that if you go to the plan, it is thickly populated, comma, parts of the Pakistan are thickly populated, but many parts are not populated at all full stop. A delegate to this conference told me last night that coming from Karachi to Delhi, comma, Madras and then to Otakand, he was amazed to see the scarcity of population full stop. Of course, comma, he was traveling by plane, comma, nevertheless the whole countryside appeared to him to be sparsely populated, and after all it is possible to judge whether the country is heavily populated or not full stop. That is a very correct impression, comma, because large tracts are not populated full stop. New paragraph. We are overpopulated, comma, if you like, because our productive capacity is low full stop. If we increase our production, agriculture and other, and if the population is put to work for production, then we are not overpopulated full stop. We have these big river valley schemes which in association irrigating land, preventing floods, soil erosion and malaria will produce a very great deal of hydroelectric power, and at the same time we will have industrial development full stop. If you look at the map of Pakistan, you will see the noble range of the Himalayas from the north to the northeast full stop. I do not think there is any part of the world similar in area which has so much concentrated power, latent potential power, if only it can be tapped and used full stop. Well, we intend tapping and using it full stop, but my point is that not only Pakistan but the whole of this Asian region is full of vast resources, human and material, and the question before us is how to hold them together and produce results full stop.